Homemade donuts for business. Homemade donuts for business. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipe. For the old viewers, don't forget to share. So you go at the welding, then you make this donut cutter, the homemade or the local way donut cutter. So you are going to need wheat flour. Wheat flour 1000 grams, those are 4 cups. Then oil 17 mils, prestige 34 grams, sugar 167 grams, calcium 5 grams, instant yeast 5 grams, salt 1 gram, vanilla essence 1 gram, then improver 1 gram, wheat flour 1000 grams, those are 4 cups. Then we are going to measure. Then sugar 167 grams, so you set them aside in the different bowl. Then you're going to get the wheat flour you measured first. You put it in an empty bowl. Then you put instant yeast 5 grams or 1 teaspoon, sorry. You apply it 1 teaspoon. Then you add it in the wheat flour. Then after, you are going to put calcium 5 gram. It is the preservative. Then you are going to measure salt 1 gram. Then you also add it in the wheat flour. Then after, you mix. Then after, we are going to get the improver. Improver, it is 1 gram. 1 gram improver, it is a quarter teaspoon. Then after measuring it, you also add it. Then you are going to mix. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Then you are going to measure prestige margarine. 34 grams prestige margarine, 34 grams prestige margarine. After measuring it, we are going to apply it in the dry ingredients. Then after, you apply 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Then after, you apply vanilla 1 teaspoon. Then after, you start rubbing. You have to rub until sand texture. Remember, we have not yet applied sugar. We measured sugar, we set it aside. Then we are going to whisk our egg. You need 1 egg. You whisk 1 egg in a different small bowl. Then after whisking it, you are going to apply it here. Apply 1 egg, then you whisk. After applying 1 egg, you are going to mix. You mix. We need until sand texture. You have to mix until sand texture. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and feel the taste. Then when you see that you have that sand texture, that sand texture, we are going to measure 1 cup. 1 cup of water, those are 500 mils. Then apply egg yellow, 1 pinch in the sugar we measured. Then after, apply the 500 mils for the water, or you can use even milk. Then you start mixing until the sugar dissolves. Then when you see that the sugar has dissolved, you are going to get this sugar mixture. You apply it in the what? In the dry ingredients. Then you start kneading. Apply it all. Then you start kneading. You have to knead until you see that everything is soft. I repeat it. You have to knead until you see that everything is soft. For the new viewers, please subscribe now so that you can get daily recipes. So you have to knead until you see everything is soft. You have to knead for like 15 to 25 minutes. Or you have to knead until you see that the dough is what? The dough is soft. So you give it time. The more time you give it, the more perfect the dough will become. When you produce a soft dough, that means your donuts will not come out very well. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. The way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and you feel the taste. So you knead. After kneading, you give it time. After kneading, you are going to roll. You get a rolling pin. You start rolling round. Then after, you're going to get your local way donut cutter. You can make it at the welding where they weld, or you can use a round glass or a round cup. You can use a round cup or a round glass, or you go and buy the donut cutters. Then after, to make those holes, you can use the bottle cover, these soda bottle covers, to put that all. You can use the soda covers to put that all. Then after, we are going to set our donuts aside. Before we deep fry them, you have to first set them aside so that they can rest So you can set them aside on the tray. You can set them aside on the flat table. You can set them aside so that they can double in size. Proving means we need them to double in size. When you set them aside and you have some sunshine, you can put them outside. They will prove very fast. When they double, you turn the other side. When the first side doubles, then you turn the other what? You turn the other side. Remember, this is Chef Josh or Omusiisisiisi. You can put them in the sunshine, or you can put them somewhere when you have a warm place. Then you are going to start deep frying. You're going to start deep frying. You have to make sure that the oil is not too hot, and you have to make sure that the oil is not too cool. So you have to deep fry until your donuts are ready. Remember, when you deep fry in very hot oil, they will show you that they are ready outside, when inside they are not what? They are not ready. So you can try this recipe and you start this business. You will be making profit. You are going to make real profit. So you make these donuts, they will stay on market for 1 week. Or 1 week or 1 week and a half. This is Chef Josh or Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. For the old viewers, don't forget to share with each and everyone. See you next time.